Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to grow peas. So peas can be started early in the spring. You can start them indoors or outdoors. And as soon as they start growing just a bit, you have to give them something to grow onto because they're a vine. So whether it's a string or a little teepee or a fence or a trellis, they'll grow up onto anything that you let them grow up onto. And as long as you water them really well, give them full hot sun and good composted soil, they'll do really well. They don't want any nitrogen added to their soil, so it's good never to fertilize them. They do really well with compost itself. They'll grow a vine, and then they'll grow the pea pods onto the vine. And the best way to cut them off is actually with a pair of scissors. It's almost better than snapping them off. And the key is to keep snapping them as they produce the pea pods. And that way they won't stop producing and they'll keep producing through the fall. Because if you just let them go to seed right away, the plant will stop producing the vegetables. And they're a very easy plant to grow in your vegetable garden. Just good compost, good full sun, water them well, but let them dry out in between. And as soon as it gets cold in the fall and they start dying back, just cut them to the ground and just leave the growth right on the ground and let them compost themselves. And then the next year they'll have lots of nutrition and they'll do really well, and you can start them from seed again.